Audit trail report. An audit trail is a record of all the events, activities, and transactions that occur within a system or organization. It is essentially a chronological sequence of records that provides a detailed history of all changes made to a system, including who made the changes, when they were made, and what changes were made. You can access this report from Accountants area, Reports, Audit Reports, Audit Trail. You can select the event type from Report filter. You can select Created, Updated, Deleted, or Price Change. From Report options, you can select the date range. Hit View Report button. You can view the Audit Trail report. In this report, you can view transaction type, account payments, account receipt, customer quotation, customer receipts, journal entry. Like that, you can view the transaction type. All the transactions grouped by transaction type. Under the transaction type, you can view created transaction, deleted transactions, and updated transactions. You can view the event type, date, time, reference, transaction date, exclusive amount, VAT amount, and inclusive amount. The date is created date or changed date or modified date or its actual date. Transaction date is document transaction date. You can enter transaction entered username in the report. By checking this display user checkbox, you can include the username into the report. Now you can view the username. You can export this report to PDF, CSV, Excel, or these formats. You can print or email this report.